Hi, I'm Sharon Holand Gelfand, functional holistic nutritionist, speaker, and author of The Gut Method, Secrets Beyond Your Plate for a Healthier, More Energetic Life. Today, I want to share with you 5 lifestyle tweaks that will improve your well-being. Tip number 1, let's bookend your day with gratitude. Take your journal and write 3 things that you're grateful for. Keep it simple. It could be as simple as the roof over your head or food on the table. Practicing gratitude improves psychological, emotional, and physical well-being. Tip number 2, movement. It really could be as simple as just dancing, listening to some music, and just getting the circulation going. This increases blood flow throughout your body. It releases dopamine and all those feel-good endorphins. It improves circulation and reduces the cramping from sitting all day long. So just get up and move. You don't have to run a marathon. You can just simply walk around your home. You can go up and down the steps. You can go outside. Movement will keep the energy flowing throughout your body. Tip number 3, self-care. There's a reason on airplanes that the flight attendants tell you to put the oxygen mask on yourself first before assisting others, because you're no good, dead. Seriously. So by taking care of yourself, you're filling your cup so that you have more to give to others. We're so busy taking care of everybody else that we forget about ourselves. You may enjoy coloring. You may enjoy taking an art class. Maybe you just want to binge watch your favorite show on Netflix. It's okay. Whatever it is, make sure it's you time. Tip number 4, be in nature, even if it is an urban jungle. Studies show that being in nature reduces stress and anxiety, improves your immune system, and even reduces inflammation. So just take a few minutes to remove yourself from the daily grind, come outside, and breathe. And tip number 5, bring home some fresh flowers. We think of flowers as something we buy for other people, but buying them for yourselves improves your mood. The scent, the bouquet of the flowers that you buy right here, it improves your compassion for others. It makes you feel good. It relaxes your body and is a gift to yourself that you can enjoy any day of the week. And there you have it, 5 lifestyle tweaks to improve your well-being.